Je suis très heureux d'être là. C'est mon fils qui m'a invité à venir à cette conférence, à cette rencontre qui est une rencontre incontournable, qui donne une chance non seulement aux étudiants, à la France, mais aussi au Nigeria. Le Nigeria aujourd'hui est un pays qui est en train qui grandit. On ne peut pas être à l'encontre du Nigeria. Le Nigeria est une industrie, un pays qui bouge, un pays qui crée de l'emploi, où la jeunesse est reconnue mondialement, ne serait-ce que par Hollywood, par la musique du Nigeria et aussi par l'industrie culturelle. Donc je suis fier de voir qu'aujourd'hui, l'école, le SCP, et avec Think Positive Group a eu l'initiative d'organiser cet event pour essayer de rencontrer les professeurs, les grands managers, pour parler avec les jeunes. C'est une je suis heureux d'être là.
I think it's a very good initiative. You know, looking around in the hall, there were people from like different countries already. You know, it wasn't just Nigerians. You had other Africans. You had Africans who came here to study and who are thinking of going back too. You had some French people. It was a nice mix, and it was a good way to introduce the African business, Nigerian in particular, the Nigerian business environment to them, let them know of the opportunities that exist in terms of business and investment, and also let them know how to go about finding jobs. Because a lot of times we say, okay, we have a lot of jobs, or where do you look?
Yes.
So that was, I think it's a very good initiative, and it's something that I hope will continue.
Pour moi, ça a été une grosse opportunité. Ça m'a permis de découvrir un peu plus Think Possible, ce que je connaissais pas vraiment très bien. Et ça m'a permis d'en savoir plus sur le Nigeria, d'avoir un retour d'expérience de personnes qui sont allées en Afrique, qui ont mené des projets d'entreprise, qui ont mené des projets personnels, et il y a eu beaucoup de questions. Donc ça a permis de répondre à beaucoup des questions que je me posais. Et nous avons eu les réponses étaient données par des experts, des gens qui étaient vraiment sur le terrain. Donc ça m'a permis de me préparer, d'avoir une meilleure préparation psychologique pour mon retour envisagé en Afrique.
I think it's a well packaged event, because it actually brought up a mix of issues regarding employment, human resources, where you had specialists, where I was very, very pleased to join and bring my modest expertise. And the other part was, business in general. How do you do business? How do you deal with business issues in Nigeria? And that's a good formula, because we've had a mix of people who are young, others who are a bit older, but the questions were was reflecting the interests of people and the various interests. And what I really liked about it was people came here, they had in their mind that they would come and learn something and go out with it. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what they did. And I've learned actually from the business side of it, from the small events coming from from different companies, from the guests. And I hope people who actually were there and attended found the advisors and the discussions interesting and something that they can learn and bring on in their career.
Actually, of all the events I've participated in here in Paris, and I've been here for 2 years, this is the one that I feel that has been the most energetic. You leave here with great opportunities in terms of how you can target Africa, Nigeria, for example, what you need to do, and there are real people who came here and talked about their own experience, so it was very valuable as opposed to seeing people who talk but you don't really see them in the market. Yes. Here, these people, the speakers were in the market, and that's something that was very, very encouraging.